So video can be intimidating and even overwhelming when you're trying to decide which types of videos to use for your business. At Drones for Hire, we help local entrepreneurs and small businesses monetize their message and influence with video online. So with video being essential to any business to either present information, share value, or make sales, let's go over the 9 types of common videos that can elevate almost any business. Alright, video number 1, video brand story. This video establishes your mission, your vision, and your unique value. It's where you tell the world what makes you stand out, beyond the generic, I just want to help people. Instead, invite your audience to a narrative that's all about them. This approach makes your messaging resonate deeply and leave a lasting impact. Video number 2, or a video sales letter. A video sales letter is essentially your elevator pitch or your sales page in a video form. It's a clear, concise message to potential customers to show them how your product can solve their problems. Unlike a static web page, a well-crafted VSL lets you connect on a personal level, addressing pain points and solving problems in an engaging way. Video number 3, product or service demo video. In a demo video, you're simplifying the process for your customers. For example, here at Drones for Hire, we would do it like this. Step 1, call Drones for Hire for a consultation. Step 2, implement tailored video solutions to your business and track their impact. Step 3, watch your business grow with increased leads, traffic, and sales. Demo videos need to do more than just educate. They need to give your customers confidence in your service and in the decision-making process. Video number 4, video testimonials or case studies. Nothing builds trust like hearing from satisfied customers. Testimonial videos let potential clients see how others have succeeded with your business. When customers hear actual personal stories, they're far more likely to trust your services. You can place these on your website, sales page, or even social media and let others do the selling for you. These remain the highest converting types of videos for small to medium-sized businesses. Video 5, video ads or commercials. Video ads are one of the quickest ways to turn strangers into customers. A strategically crafted ad gets your message across to new audiences, showing them that your product or service is exactly what they need. Ads work well when paired with smart targeting strategies across platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If you need help scripting an effective ad, Drones for Hire is with you every step of the way. Video number 6, YouTube or YouTube content. YouTube is a powerhouse for businesses looking to showcase their expertise and gain long-term visibility from SEO. Regularly posting valuable, engaging content builds trust and keeps your brand in front of your target audience. Plus, every video that you post has the potential to generate leads or traffic for years to come. They don't have to be complicated. In fact, some of the most successful ones are very simple and are targeted at solving your customers' problems. Video number 7, paid product or training videos. These videos can be part of exclusive offers such as workshops or online trainings. Customers receive immense value and your business benefits from an ongoing revenue stream. Video number 8, facility tours. These unique angles with FPV drones are a great way to make you feel like you're actually there. You can show off your company culture and office space, all while delivering a message. It's an immersive way for potential new customers or new hires to explore your business. Alright, video number 9, documentary style behind the scenes videos. Documenting your business journey, showing workers and the day-to-day operations really humanizes your brand. These videos create a connection, showing customers the real people behind your company. And while you can record these on your phone, Drones for Hire is here to help you with compelling storytelling and professional editing to take it up a notch when you're ready. Thanks for watching. I'll create another video soon going over editing and common practices that come to this video.